Hello. Professional installation of porcelain pavers on adjustable pedestal systems. Pedestal systems are used for rooftop terraces, balcony floors, and elevated outdoor decks. This installation method provides precise leveling, proper drainage, and protection of the waterproof membrane. Pedestal paver systems are widely used in modern rooftop construction and terrace flooring. Available for pedestal paver installation projects in South Florida, including Miami, Hollywood, and Fort Lauderdale. 4. Project inquiries, please see the contact details in the video description. Thank you.